All right, and we're back. This is just a quick unpacking video. This is something I've been wanting to get for, I guess, almost a year. And with Amazon Prime days, I was able to get a deal on it. So I already cut the tape, so I didn't have to struggle with it down here in the dungeon. So, all right, let's see. Get this out of the way. Show you what we got here. Popped open. Okay, very good. Damn, he wrapped it pretty well anyway. Keep them looking nice. Come on. All right. So what these are the rear saddlebag guards for the Sport Glide. So they go right there. Powder coating is very nice on them. Very quality, no doubt about it. Don't see any marks. The welds look good. So these ended up costing me, I think it was $122, I think. For Prime Day, they had a little bit of a discount, but I had built up $100 and some in gift cards and another $53 or $54 in Amazon points with my credit card. So for the most part, these things were basically free, I guess you want to call it. You know, just with money I had built up over the period of time. But these are the ones that they have bigger ones that have like a shape to them. They come down. Let's see if I can show you. They kind of go up and then they come in and come down like this and then go back in towards the bike. This is the set I wanted because, and I wanted them in black, not chrome. So they kind of match the frame, and when you're looking at the bike from the side, you know, they'll be tough to see. I did that with my Switchback when I had it, and the black kind of disappeared into the bike, into the you know, between the black saddlebags and the black frame. It's like looking at it from the side, you could see them, but you couldn't really. And that's kind of what I wanted for the Sport Glide. All right, so there's right and left in there, and then this... Bear with me here. Let me get this open. This is the hardware because you do need longer bolts. And you do need, these are spacers that go into, like there's a chrome piece on the frame. These slide in there so as you're tightening it down, it doesn't bend that piece. So this is basically like a support for it. So you have two of those and you have two, and they're Allen heads. So you're going to convert from Allen head to, over to, oh my God, I think it's a T45 Torx, I think, but don't quote me. So it'll convert it over to Allen head bolts. So I'll have to look and see if there's a torque value anywhere. Otherwise, it's just Loctite and snug. So with that said, you know, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see the full installation, because you know me, I try to do a full install just to show you guys how quick it goes or how long it takes. So this should be a pretty quick job, I believe. So, you know, in the next week or so, hopefully I'll have them installed and I'll do the full install video and have it uploaded. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.